Running a restaurant is extremely busy, and the meez app helps increase the efficiency that we need in order to get consistent results, and that's incredibly important in our line of business. At Quaintrelle, we do a tasting menu and an a la carte menu, so there's a lot to keep track of, and having an app like this in your corner makes it so that we can do the same thing over and over again and create a level of consistency that we need. I think one of the greatest parts of meez is its training applications. I'm able to create a slideshow with pictures and videos with detailed instructions underneath. Instead of me having to go through step by step each time, every step is super detailed so they can nail it every time they make it. As we all know, there's a million different measurements. It's really nice to be able to have a conversion tool right there for you when you're entering in the recipes. I can enter in ounces and get grams or vice versa. The meez app allows me to scale any recipe to any quantity, and it does all the math that I can't do in my head instantly for me, and that is a lifesaver. There's a really helpful costing tool as well, which is really nice. I can enter in all my ingredients per the unit that I get them in as, and it gets broken down into my terms of usage that's in the recipe book, so I can feed my purchases and my invoices directly into meez, and I can see the costs update as I engineer my recipe. From a chef and a managerial standpoint, it's really important to see where all these numbers are, especially with the way the world is and everything is increasing in cost, and it's important to nail these numbers because these are our profit margins, so it's really important so we can keep our doors open. The meez app also allows me to give an analysis of any of the allergens in any of the dishes. And that's really nice because then all my staff know exactly what's in there that could be potentially harmful to anybody else. And this app gives me the ability to categorize all my recipes into recipe books, whether that's a fall tasting menu or a spring tasting menu. And at the end of the day, it's really nice to look back at a tasting menu from a year ago and see my progression as a chef, to see the restaurant's progression, and after a couple of years be able to see what works, what doesn't work, see what costs too much money to keep on the menu and what's a great thing to keep on the menu. The meez app gives me all the tools to be organized and make better decisions.